All right, friends, we're gonna put some of this radiator stop leak into the boosted Ford LS right over here because I got a little bit of coolant coming out of my water pump. It's the fittings because I had to modify the water pump, as you can see here, just to make everything fit with a turbocharger. So I got a little bit of a leakage down there, so I'm just gonna put some stop leak in and then it'll stop it because it's running onto the starter motor and it's kind of screwing the starter motor up. So we'll put this in and then run it for about, it says 15 to 30 minutes, let it get up to temperature. And then I'll let you know if it works. So what I got going on here, guys, I'll just show you. I got my exhaust and I got my rubber hose here going outside so I don't get fumigated in here. So we'll do that. And yeah, so that's the deal, guys. So anyways, what I'll do is I'll just put the camera like right here. Hopefully you can see this shit. Maybe. Right there. And I'll put the stuff in there. And then we'll start her up. Right? So again, Rislone radiator stop leak. 15 to 30 minutes. Operating temperature. Should work. I got a small leak, so should be fine. So we'll put this in. Kind of a thick brown shit, so it's kind of gross, but it'll be okay. So we'll put this in, put the cap back on, and then so you can see how brown it is. Well, hopefully it goes in there, for fuck's sake, it's pretty thick. Alright guys, hopefully it goes in there. We'll see what happens. Fuck, seriously? It's fucking not even going in there. Well, it's going in, it's displacing the air. So I might have fucked up here, we'll see. Let's see what happens. Might have to put it into the overflow, guys. Here, hang on. Actually, I think I might have to put it into the overflow because there's no room in the fucking radiator. It's pretty high. All right. So I'll throw it in here. There we go. Yeah, throw it in the overflow if there's no room in the radiator. So I made a mistake already. So now it's in there. So I'll put the cap on and we'll start this up. Yeah, so let's just... Okay. Cap's on. This is fucked up. Anyways, I'll start it up while it's in there, and I'll figure that out later. So like, let it run for about 20 minutes, 25, and then we'll see. Oil pressure is good, yes. Alright friends, as you can see, the car is now up to temperature 200. Fan 1 is on, everything is good, oil pressure. It's been running for about 25 minutes. Batteries are good, everything is good. So running for about 25 minutes. So I'll show you this here. So I don't know if you can hear me, but it was leaking from the water pump right there. So it has now stopped actually. So let me just shut this off. Okay. Alright guys, I'm just going to shut it down. I'll take it back out there. So again, operating temp. It was leaking from the bottom of the water pump. And I saw it coming out like dripping quite a bit. Then all of a sudden it stopped. So that's awesome. So, just shut it down. Yeah, so it was dripping quite a bit out there, like almost like a sieve. And literally within 5 minutes, it stopped. So, I don't know if you can see that, but it was at the bottom of the water pump. So yeah, where the fitting, well, it's probably the gasket got fucked or something. Anyway, so the bottom of the water pump was leaking, and it's kind of hard to see, but you can see the water down there, but it has stopped now, so that's awesome. So it did work. Yeah, so I ran it for about 25 minutes as you saw, operating temp. And yeah, so let's hope that worked. So that saves me having to get a new gasket and all that bullshit. Anyways, guys, appreciate you watching. Again, boosted LS, ready for action this weekend. We're gonna have some fun, and let's just see if this thing starts again, because I replaced the starter motor and I had problems with hot starts before. So we'll see if this sucker starts. Yeah, fan on. Awesome. Yeah, so that worked too, guys. So the starter motor is good now, right? Starter motor works too, so everything's working as it should. So I had problems with hot starts before, replaced the starter motor, and now it's just working, which is wicked. So now both fans are on, as you can see, guys. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll let you know what happens this weekend. Appreciate it.